next to me. You're right here. Hey, what's up? It's Cecily and
Sasha.
And
Isaiah.
we're gonna review the Keurig coffee machine.
Yeah, Keurig coffee machine.
Ah.
Whoa!
When you have children, you don't have to open things. They do it for you. Yes.
Hey, I was going to get it first.
Fighting. That's all the coffee? I'm 24 years old. Like, really? Oh, wow.
Look at this.
What is it? Ooh, Green Mountain? Okay. Green
It's like a poster of another box.
Mountain.
We're both strong. What?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah. I like Starbucks. I'm going to open it one.
Don't open it. Let's get brewing.
Whoa.
All right.
Whoa. What's this?
It's a K-pop coffee ground. You gotta rinse it off and then fill to the max line. Is that the max line? Oh, it is.
What did it do?
We put it right here, and then we push down, and that's when it starts making the coffee with the water in the back. Alright, that's fine, Zan. Stop.
I'm helping.
I know, but I just need to get this shot. Do you think it's gonna be better in Starbucks? It's gonna be close. Yeah? You think so? Do you think that you'll be making your own coffee every day now? This is pretty exciting. Like, it's so. Oh, look! Ah! It's very hot. Don't touch it.
Next time we should make a coffee for you.
The way I do it is by color. Like, I like mine a little light. Okay. Okay, me too.
How do you do it for
Oh, okay. This is good.
I think donut one is really good. So what's the
Really
donut one?
This is a good choice.
When I grow even some more, I can drink coffee.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, would you say that this coffee is good? It's good. Yeah. I like it. Do you think that she'll be going to Starbucks anytime soon? I think like when I don't want to go out and spend my money in Starbucks, it's a good little quick. I can even add ice cubes and make iced coffee. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Good. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Give us a big fun.
All right. Thank you.